How to get all possible combinations of a list's elements. I have a list with 15 numbers, and I need to write some code that produces all 32,768 combinations of those numbers. I found some code, by Googling, that apparently does what I'm looking for, but I found the code fairly opaque and am wary of using it. Plus I have a feeling there must be a more elegant solution. The only thing that occurs to me would be to just loop through the decimal integers 1 to 32,768 and convert those to binary, and use the binary representation as a filter to pick out the appropriate numbers. Does anyone know of a better way? Using map, maybe?
Have a look at itertools.combinations. Return our length subsequences of elements from the input iterable. Combinations are emitted in lexicographic sort order. So, if the input iterable is sorted, the combination tuples will be produced in sorted order. Since 2.6 batteries are included,
this answer missed one aspect. The OP asked for all combinations, not just combinations of length R. So you'd either have to loop through all lengths L, or if you want to get snazzy, or bend the brain of whoever reads your code after you, you can generate the chain of combinations, generators, and iterate through that.
Here's a lazy one-liner, also using itertools. Main idea behind this answer: there are 2 to the power of n combinations, same as the number of binary strings of length n. For each binary string, you pick all elements corresponding to A1. Things to consider. This requires that you can call len ... on items, workaround. If items is something like an iterable like a generator, turn it into a list first with items equals list _ items arch. This requires that the order of iteration on items is not random, workaround, don't be insane. This requires that the items are unique, or else 2, 2, 1, and 2, 1, 1 will both collapse to 2, 1, workaround. Use collections.counter as a drop-in replacement for set. It's basically a multiset, though you may need to later use tuple, sorted, counter, ... elements, if you need it to be hashable. Demo.
In comments under the highly upvoted answer by Dan H, mention is made of the power set recipe in the itertools documentation, including one by Dan himself. However, so far no one has posted it as an answer. Since it's probably one of the better if not the best approach to the problem, and given a little encouragement from another commenter, it's shown below. The function produces all unique combinations of the list elements of every length possible, including those containing 0 and all the elements. Note: if the subtly different goal is to obtain only combinations of unique elements, change the line s equals list iterable to s equals list set iterable to eliminate any duplicate elements. Regardless, the fact that the iterable is ultimately turned into a list means it will work with generators, unlike several of the other answers. Output.